Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to test your truck for blow-by. Let's get started. This is my 2007 LBZ DURAMAX. It has 300,000 miles on it. So blow-by is cylinder pressure getting past the piston rings or the compression rings and leaking into the crankcase, causing blow-by. There's a couple ways to test this. Both require the engine warm and running, so let's go ahead and get that truck started. Once the engine's warm and the truck is running, you're gonna wanna come over here, loosen the fill plug, and flip it upside down. If there was blow-by, you'd see some kind of gases ventilating through that fill plug. As you can see, I have no blow-by. If you had blow-by, this would be vibrating off because it's blowing by through the crankcase, pushing up extra pressure. The second way is you go over to your level, you pull it out, and as you can see, again, no pressure. I'm gonna quickly show you guys again. So you remove the fill cap, flip it upside down, and it should be moving and vibrating off if you have pressure. Zero blow-by. Don't forget it's 300,000 miles. A little bit of blow-by is okay. If you do notice you have some, that's perfectly normal. That's why there's breather systems on most engines nowadays to relieve some of that crankcase pressure. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe.